Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I really don't know what this video is going to be, but today I'm going for an appointment at work. I'm gonna change my assignment. So yeah, and so they said I'm working the night shift today, right? And I noticed they use night and not late. So I asked, what time is it gonna be? Like, what is the work? 9:30 to 7 a.m. I'm actually laughing through this pain because what? How is that even legal? That's like, I think 9.5 hours or something like that. So I'll be working 9:30 all the way to 7. I don't know, maybe I work sometime in the night. I don't know. Wait for the appointment. Let's see what comes of it. My bag has already been packed. I have to take, so basically all the old stuff from my old place and return them, and I'm gonna get new stuff. And I'm starting today. So guys, I'm gonna take you guys along this whole journey. Hopefully I can vlog as much as possible, but I don't know. So yesterday it snowed, and I woke up this morning, the snow is gone. The snow is gone, because yesterday was like 0 degrees, 1 degree. And then I woke up this morning, it's like 4 or 5, so it's like warmer, so the ice couldn't stay. But anyways, I really hate backpacks because we've not got a kid, but I really can't be bothered with how bags these days, not so bad. Especially when I'm going for like work stuff. I also drank hot coffee. I think I have to switch off the ice. It's enough, Keni. I also want to reduce my sugar, so no soda drink. I don't even know what I'm putting myself. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Wish me luck, and I'll give you guys updates. I'm pretty sure I'm coming back home if I get ready. Not get ready, like maybe study and then go to work 9:30 or something. Yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys. So late, like, oh my god. God help me. Oh my god. This is coming out of what looks like this. And hey guys, so I'm back. So it's actually true, like it's 9:30 to 7 a.m. It's fine. We'll do it, Abby. So they gave me new shoes because apparently this company needs like exactly like different shoes. So I'm gonna show you the shoes. If you're in Germany, you can figure out. I guess if you've worked them before, I don't know. They look so manly. But anyways, these are the shoes. I think they look cooler than the ones I have. Actually, they look nice, I don't know. And I guess there's a book in here. But anyways, that's that. As of now, so basically, the place is like, it's literally on the same lane as when I was going to work. Like my old job, but like further. So it's gonna take like an hour and 30 minutes almost every day. Way back coming. Anyways, I'm grateful for my job. I'm grateful that I have a job, honestly, not gonna lie, I'm grateful. So right now I am just gonna read something that told me that I should translate and read. Then I'm gonna study for 3 hours. An hour 30 minutes. An hour 30 minutes break. An hour 30 minutes break. An hour 30 minutes break. So from after studying today, the next time I can study is Thursday. Because there's no way I can study. I come back at 7. So the moment I confirmed where I was working, the time and everything, I came back and as on my journey, I was just like on my calendar, on Fire Planner, planning everything. So basically I will come home. I'll get home around 9. I keep very close, but I'll get home at 9, like 8:58, and I'll sleep. Like I don't fall asleep immediately, but I will sleep, and then I'll wake up at 4 because I need 7 hours. I know I need 7 hours, and I'm not going to sleep for less. It's going to affect me. So I'm going to set up to 4, and then I get ready, and then leave again at 7:28, I think, p.m. So that'll be my routine for the days. It's Monday to Wednesday, so basically I finish Thursday morning. So Thursday I'll sleep, and then study at home, and then Friday I'll go to work. So that's my plan. So yeah. You know, I also got like there's a nettle at my convenience like area. So oh my god, I got like my favorite like pastry. It's basically a croissant, but it's like meat and like ham, like chicken ham and cheese. That's basically it. And my favorite juice as well. I got that. That's basically it. So I'm gonna read the contract instead. And yeah, wish me good luck, guys. Like, I don't know how much I'll be able to film, especially because it's my first day. I need to like sail out the terrain, and when I'm coming home, I'll probably like catch you guys up. Also, I saw this like Christmas market. I think I'll go with my friend after exams. It's like explore. It looks cute. I couldn't take a good video. Like my camera was blurry, but it looks really pretty. So I think we'll go. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna do what I just said. Hey guys, so I'm back from work. Yeah, I'm heading home now. It's currently, let me check, 8:30 what? 33. So I'm going. I'm literally dozing off. Like I'm holding my phone, scrolling, and I'm sleeping. For this pimple. Anyways, I'm going to bed. Like I'm going to change. And then I am literally going to bed. And then I'll wake up at 4 as I said. And then I will get ready and go to work again. But I think next week I don't think I want to do night shift anymore. It's just it goes against the natural human like circadian rhythm. I just don't like it. And yeah, you get more money, but like bro, no. Because I feel like all the other shifts I can learn, right? Like I can study at some point during that day, but for this, no go. And what? Yeah, so work was good. The leaders were nice. I didn't have to like, they spoke English, so I understood everything. The work got taxing at some point, like at the end, and that's when I was sleepy. Like, guys, I was so sleepy. I even made, not like a mistake. Like I took 2 of the pants, and one of the captains was like, "Oh my god, why did you take 2?" And then that kind of like woke me up for like a few more minutes, but I'm tired. Like I know that if I lie on my bed right now, I will fall asleep. So yeah, but it was a good day. It was fine. We get like an hour break, and that's pretty much it. So basically I'm working for like 8 hours. Like it's 9.5, so you work for like 8.5 hours. Crazy. But yeah, hopefully when they pay me it's giving rich, because hey. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Today actually, but later. And yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back from work. It's Wednesday, but because I'm coming the next day, I lose track. But today we're coming, they gave us this. Right, so I'm gonna open it to see what's in here. I think it's like 24 days of Christmas. Wait, because I don't see 25. So I'm guessing. I don't know what it is. I don't know if I should open it. I should start in. So I didn't even show you. It's kind of like with numbers. It's kind of like what do you call them? No, there's a name for it. I've forgotten what it's called. I really want to open it, but then I'm also thinking of doing Vlogmas. So I want to open it like for Vlogmas, you know. I don't know. I don't know what could possibly be in here. I feel like I opened like a bit of this and it's like candy. And I opened a bit of 16 and it's also candy. So I think everything is candy. So I don't know if I really want to like save it for that, because it's not that exciting. But yeah, this is it. So you guys can't already tell I work at DHL. Oh, today was tough. Because it was Black Friday, a lot of orders. It's reminding me, I think I should do some shopping, but I don't have money for the shopping. So I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. I told this man about my heater. I don't know if he'll come to my room, but I want to sleep. If I fall asleep, I'll not hear anything. Anyways, bye. Guys, I have my meal here. Yeah, I'm just gonna like recap how my experience at DHL, like just how I felt. So I've never worked the night shift. Like for every job I have done, I've never worked the night shift where the shift ends the next day. This was interesting. DHL is a hard job. Like my hands are hurting so bad, but it's okay. Like once you get in the flow, I feel like I only feel the pain when I come home and I'm like on my bed and like I let my body feel whatever it wants to feel. When I'm at work, I'm fine for the most part. But pain is not excruciating. I feel like it's because it's the first time. But I like that I came home and fell asleep instead of like sitting down and saying, "Oh, I'll let sleep come to me. Let me go steady. Let me go and do this." No, I just went straight to bed and woke up and then did my routine stuff, which I liked. Next week I'm working at DHL again, but I'm working morning, so I'm grateful. I also left I made the bit distance because I want to go for some specific classes and I didn't want to have work on those days. So yeah, that's great. So yeah, today I have tea. I really want to start letting go of, actually I also want to let go of bread, but I have bread, so I want to finish it and then I'll start eating like yogurts, oats. I'll still drink coffee. I like coffee. Coffee doesn't really do anything to me. I just want to start letting go of carbohydrate heavy meals because it's really affecting. But anyways, I'm just going to relax now, eat, and then I'll study for 2 hours, 30 minutes in between, and then just do some chilling. I really want to, Black Friday is coming, so I'm hoping that I find some like cheap deals stuff. So yeah, sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and I'll talk to you guys later. So overall, it was good. I'm fine. And also people were kind of like advising me. So like the men, like the older guys, they'll be like, so you should work in the night shift because it's not a lot of work, but they pay a lot more because you're working at night. But then I was also thinking, I get it, right? But like, I'm a student. I need my days to study and coming home at 7. There's no way I have enough energy to study and then I don't know how to explain it, but I understood what they were saying. And then there was this Ghanaian guy, he said it in 3, like when I was kind of away, and then he was like, like okay, let me say it in English. They'll be like, it's as if they have your best intentions in mind, but don't, like he was like, be careful and like don't let them deceive you, something like that. That's what he was trying to say. I was like, okay, yeah, because I know that like, I don't know, I feel like because I'm new, they just wanted to like talk to me, get to know my vibe and stuff. Like working, like the job that we do, sometimes you have to work in pairs, right? So that you can get the work done quickly. And I feel like this is the one job that I made the most acquaintances in a short amount of time. Like, I'm not friends with them. Some of them I don't even know their names, honestly. But they are my acquaintances. Like when I see them, I acknowledge them, and like if I need something, I can go to them, kind of vibe. It was kind of weird because the other job is kind of like everyone has their section, so you don't really have to interact, right? But this one I was not forced to actually. I worked in silence with some people, but yeah, I also met a friend. We worked at the old place together, and we also came to this place together. So we had this friend. So yeah, we're chill, cool friends. Yeah, friends. So yeah, I'm going to eat. I'm hungry, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later tomorrow. Full study day. Wait, what? But yeah, I gotta check my emails. I'll talk to you guys later.
como que me gusta verte guay. 12 AM se va sintiendo el high.
Hay algo en ti, baby. ¿Será que tú no entiendes a mí? Yo que andaba en busca de cosas interesantes, en mi camino te encontré tal cual como un diamante. Siento que te necesito para estar feliz. Es que me tienes cantando lo-fi, papi tuyo montado en un ride. Te motiva, entramos en un vibe. 12 AM se va sintiendo el high. Mira, me tienes cantando lo. Through the big days and the quiet times, we laughed, we felt, we crossed some lines. Even when I couldn't find my way, you were there, and I'm okay. On the hardest days and